Number 2 is a quick one. It gives you all these problems and it asks you to complete the square. Remember, when we complete the square, we do it based off this number right here, or this coefficient. So there, that coefficient's -1. So what I do, if that number was a, for example, here a would be -4, then what I do is I take a, I divide it by 2, and then I square it. So we'll do it for that 4. I take the -4, I divide it by 2, that gives me -2, and then I square -2, so -2 squared, that gives me 4. So for this one, I'm going to add 4. Now, so let me erase. For the second one, instead of -4, I take a +10, I divide it by 2, that gives me 5. Then I square 5, 5 squared gives me 25. So for this one, I add 25. For the third one, I'm going to take 20, I'm going to divide it by 2, I'm going to do it all in one step here and square it. So 20 over 2 is 10, 10 times 10 is 100. So to complete the square on this, I add 100. Now the last one, a is equal to -1. So I'm going to divide it by 2 and then square it. You may be like, well, how do I square that fraction thing? Well, it's just 1/2 times 1/2, because the negative gets squared out, so it's 1 over 2 squared. So I can do 1/2 times 1/2, and that gives me 1 over 4.